So the skill, match problems with their solutions, is centered around text structure. Text structure is how the text is organized. The passages that you'll be reading under this skill will be organized in a problem and solution format. That means that the passages are going to tell about a problem and then they are going to show a solution. So signal words that identify these problems as well as solutions are concern, solve, challenge, help, prevent, so that, the answer, one reason is, question, answer, stop, fix, should, must, and also make sure. So we'll be looking for these signal words to help us identify problems and their actual solutions. So let's read the text. Although the U.S. women's hockey team clinched the 2016 World Championship, players were paid far less than male hockey players. The women threatened to boycott the 2017 World Championship until their demands for fairer treatment were met. Days before the deadline, they reached an agreement with the USA Hockey and took to the ice. The U.S. women's soccer team also faced a similar issue. Though they have been hugely successful, their pay was not equal to the men's team. In 2016, they filed a complaint against the U.S. Soccer Federation, resulting in better wages and benefits. So here we have two problems. First problem is that the women's hockey team wasn't getting fair pay, and the second one is that the women's soccer team wasn't getting fair pay. So we're going to find the solution to both of these problems here. So let's go back and scan through our text. So although the women's hockey team clinched the 2016 World Championship, players were paid far less than male hockey players. Women threatened to boycott the 2017 World Championship until their demands for fairer treatment were met. So days before the deadline, they reached an agreement with the USA Hockey and took to the ice. Okay, didn't seem like we found any signal words there. So they threatened until their demands were met. And the solution, days before, they reached an agreement and took to the ice. So the women's hockey team started a boycott until their demands were met. There were no signal words that led us to our actual solution. So let's move to the next one. The women's soccer team wasn't getting fair pay. So let's look at their solution. All right. The U.S. women's soccer team faced a similar issue. Though they have been hugely successful, their pay was not equal to the men. So in 2016, they filed a complaint against the U.S. Soccer Federation, resulting in better wage. So they filed a complaint looking for if there were any signal words that led us to our solution. Their pay was not equal to men's. Filed a complaint against, resulting in. So maybe we can use this word resulting in. That could be an actual signal word that helps lead us to an actual solution, although it is not listed here as one of our signal words. All right, so let's check our answer and move on to the next passage. All right. When people swim in the ocean, they may fret about getting stung by jellyfish. Fortunately, most stings are mild and can be treated on the spot. Since stingers are extremely sticky, people need to check for any left in the skin and quickly remove them. Experts recommend scraping them off with a credit card or other piece of plastic. Movement causes the venom to spread. To prevent the spread of toxins, people should stay still. Painful swelling and itching can be treated with hydrocortisone cream. All right, so let's take a look at our problems. So this one says jelly toxins may spread, and this one says jellyfish stings may cause discomfort. All right, so let's take a look at our passage. When people swim in the ocean, they may fret about getting stung by jellyfish. Fortunately, most stings are mild and can be treated on the spot. Since stingers are extremely sticky, people need to check for any left in the skin and quickly remove them. Experts recommend scraping them off with a credit card or piece of plastic. It says movement causes the venom to spread. So to prevent the spread of toxins, people should stay still. So we have this word prevent. Prevent is an actual signal word that leads us to our solution. So jellyfish toxins may spread. However, right here, it says to prevent the spread of toxins, people should stay still. So prevent lets us know our actual solution. So people should stay still. I'm going to place this here. Next one, jellyfish stings may cause discomfort. So it says painful swelling and itching can be treated with hydrocortisone cream. So jellyfish stings may cause discomfort, so people should use hydrocortisone cream. I thought there was another signal word that led us to our solution. I guess just to prevent. All right, so this one did not have an actual signal word. All right, so you're going to be reading more passages. Once again, you can look for these actual signal words that help you identify problems along with their actual solutions. You are trying to earn a score of 80% or higher. You got this. Keep using the signal words.